AI is something deliver results at a light speed. There is mammoth of data, there is mammoth of information. We lifted this KYC and made it like know your child. Education is a very big investment. Only 17% of Indians are financially literate.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Vishwas, and today we have with us Miss Rozy Efzal. Rozy is a dynamic and enterprising business leader with 18 years of diverse experience in digital marketing, prop tech, and business development. She holds a degree in computer science and postgraduate degrees in marketing and human resource management. As the chief driving force behind Invest for Edu's growth, innovation, and marketing success, she is dedicated to enhancing education, planning, and access. Welcome, Rozy.
Hi Vishwas.
Given Invest for Edu's growth, how does your diverse background in computer science, marketing, and HR inform your strategic approach to innovation and marketing in the edtech space for the company's success?
Okay, that's a very good question. First of all, Vishwas, at Invest for Edu is spearheading innovation in EdTech. So my background in technology or computer science basically cements that belief that anything at large scale, anything for Indian demography can be achieved only through technology. So technology gives us that kind of speed, that helps us with innovation. It also helps us in bringing down the cost, and we can actually reach out to last man standing. Okay, so that's how I understand technology and leverage technology for Invest for Edu's performance and purpose. Coming to my role in marketing, I use my understanding of marketing to deliver the goodness of Invest for Edu or the products and services to people and families. I translate this innovation through marketing with my expertise and understanding. Yeah. To reach out to parents, students, partners, institute, and education sector as well as financial sector. Coming to my learning in HR, no business can stand without people. While working or starting up Invest for Edu, as a co-founder, we have to work with diverse people. We have to work with diverse departments. So my understanding of HR gives me that benefit or edge to be a people person, to understand people dynamics, and use that strength to deliver better and give a wonderful product, give a wonderful experience, have beautiful relationships which we can leverage lifelong.
You have very well spoken about how people are often tend to become the backbone of an organization, which brings me. My next question to you is, while you highlight the critical role of parental involvement and a balanced approach to holistic development, how do you envision AI potentially contributing to the personalization of education?
In today's day and time, AI is something which helps us deliver results at a light speed. Okay, AI is something which helps us bring that finesse of knowledge and information and make it consumable. For me, AI is something which is an enabler. Okay, uh, if even if we talk about career, even if we talk about choosing different streams, education, there is mammoth of data, there is mammoth of information. There is mammoth of information which is available on our search engines like Google and on various platforms which have existed before us, which are doing absolutely wonderful job in helping students and parents take decisions, which is about college listing, college search platforms, career insight platforms, and all that. But all this is fragmented. Okay, all this is dependent on how much search or how much queries a person or a student or a parent has. What AI brings is making all this information consumable in a bite-sized fashion, and also as per the desired information which you're seeking from it. So what we have done is we have pulled every information related to college, related to degrees, related to how to approach a career, related to how to understand the strength and abilities. So what we did was at Invest for Edu, something very, very important is we started Invest for Edu by telling students and parents that know yourself. which transformed into Know Your Child. Okay, so we have a problem as KYC is extremely popular in digital India. We lifted this KYC and made it like Know Your Child. Okay, every career decision make is life impacting. Every education decision is lifelong. Okay, the stream or the subjects we choose now will help us earn our livings in future. Okay, so what happens is this should not be gut based, this should not be by chance, this should be by choice. The decision of choosing a stream, choosing a subject, choosing a college, choosing a school, matching the strengths and abilities of the child. So when we came up with a lot of this information which is available through scientific tools, we put them on our platform. Now what AI does is AI is able to personalize, okay, and make it consumable for every parent. Now we say India has more than 40 crore youth. So AI will be able to transform that information not in a cut paste template model, but in the model where every person or every family is able to consume that information to make informed decisions about choosing the right school, board, college, stream, and in fact career. So that is how we are using AI at Invest for Edu.
Right, very well spoken. All of the co-founders of Invest for Edu, they are trying their best, in fact, making a lot of efforts to make this company a household name in India within the next 5 years. So I would like to ask you, what are the key strategies you are employing to achieve this ambitious goal, particularly in reaching the diverse demographics?
This question basically. So we all know that our education is the foundation of our livelihoods or careers which we make in future. There are a couple of things make me answer this question a little differently. What we want is that every family or every student must be sensitized about making the right decision, because education is a very big investment. Education is a very big in terms of time, resources, as well as money. So when we talk about all three things, we cannot afford to go wrong. Now, India is having more than 900 districts and lot of demographies which are changing at every 50 kilometers. Good thing is this, that most of India is now digitally available. Now, what they're doing with that digital abilities is something different. But what we can do is, because we understand that we can reach out to India digitally, that is one part which Invest for Edu, or I personally am trying to do, okay, with our platforms, different channels which are available. The second part which is there is we are doing a lot of workshops, we are doing a lot of programs, we are doing a lot of counselings at institutional level. At Invest for Edu, we have bring out a channel, okay, we have bring out a program where we tap the youth at that age where they are able to be sensitized about having the right information about how to choose a career, okay, and also being sensitized about financial literacy and financial wellness. Why? Because tomorrow these youth is only in the funnel of becoming a parent or making decision for a young child, okay, about their education and career. So what we do is we run programs with institutions and colleges where we tap young students, whether they're in bachelor's or master's, and engage them in financial wellness and financial literacy programs. This is a combination of learn and earn program, okay. What happens is we sensitize them about having the right information, of having the right abilities, using the right tools available. So as you understand that nearly 40 crore students are there in different institutions, be it school, colleges, or coaching centers, or any kind of program they're associated with. Only 17% of Indians are financially literate.
17% of Indian youth.
IndiGlobal Media Network, taking innovation, collaboration, and growth to the forefront.